Hi, we will solve this question how to balance redox equation. So this equation is given here where tin 2 plus and iron 3 plus are reactant and product side SN4 plus and iron 2 plus in aqueous solution. So to balance redox equation you have to find out first oxidation and reduction reactions, and we have to divide half and half. So solution will start. Basically we have to use this half reaction method. So first we will write a half reaction for tin like this. It's already I have written here, which is tin 2 plus in aqueous. It is giving tin 4 plus in aqueous solution. I gave the equation number 1, and if I will write another half reaction of this whole reaction, this will be iron 3 plus gives out iron 2 plus, equation number 2. And now we have to balance. There are two things we have to balance. If you will see, number of charges and mass. Mass means number of atoms should be equal on both side, reactant side and product side. So let's start first. What we have to do, if you see equation number 1, equation number 1 where tin 2 plus is going to be oxidized into SN4 plus, it means it is releasing 2 electrons. So loss of electron is loss involve oxidation. It means tin is oxidation happen here for tin 2 plus to 4 plus. So oxidation state is increasing by plus 2, right? So for tin oxidation happen, and in case of iron, so we have to, you can see its iron 3 plus is going to be 2 plus. It means it require 1 electron. It will accept 1 electron, then it will changes to iron 2 plus. So if you will compare equation number 3 and 4, so in equation number 3 there are 2 electrons are releasing from the SN2 plus, and however in case of iron 3 it is accepting only 1 electron. So we have to balance first charges. So what we have to do, we have to multiply this equation number 4 by 2 on both sides. So this will become 2 Fe3 plus and plus 2 electron and gives out 2 iron 2 plus, and this I will give equation number 5. So this reaction where if you will see oxidation state of iron 3 plus to 2 plus, means oxidation state is reducing by 1. So in this reaction iron 3 is reducing to iron 2 plus. So reduction reaction, this is our reduction reaction. So now we have our oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. So after this, now we balance this equation number 4 by multiplying 2, and we got a new equation which is number 5 where 2 iron on the left hand side and 2 ions are right hand side. So both are balanced. Electrons are also balanced. You can see 2 electrons iron is accepting and 2 electrons SN2 is releasing. So now we can add. So we have to add equation number 3 and 5 together. So let's add equation number 3 and 5. So what we have to do, we will get here when we will add these two reaction. So Sn2 plus to Sn4 plus 2 electrons, equation number 3, and Fe3 plus 2 electrons gives out to Fe2 plus. This is equation number 5. When you will add these two, and then this will come up with electron, but usually we don't write electrons in the balance reaction, so we have to cancel them. Only we have two electrons we have to cancel, and then remaining the ions will write in the final reaction. So this is our balanced redox reaction. So you have to remember there are two things you have to balance. Number one, number of atoms should be on left hand side and right hand side, or you can say reactant side and product side should be equal. And then also you have to maintain the charge by electrons. We will see more further difficult equation how to balance them.